Hey guys, so about to dive into another episode of ReZero, and that's why you're here after all. It's in the thumbnail and everything. So this is season 2, episode 38. The sounds that make you want to cry. What the hell? This sounds like it's going to be a miserable one. Well, actually, they're all pretty miserable in some way, aren't they? They hurt us. They break our hearts. They poke our emotions, killing our characters left and right over and over again. That's why we love it, though. It's so good. Okay, so in the last episode, episode 12... but it's also episode 37. The numbers are all over the shop for me right now. The Witch's Tea Party. Yeah, okay. Interesting. So Subaru was having a chat to Echidna. She was trying to get him to go into a contract with her, but he kind of said no at the very end. So I think he's just made a new enemy. He's really kind of pissed her off. All the other witches seem pretty nice. A little bit crazy. But they seem like decent people, I think, for the most part. Echidna definitely seems like, you know, she's one of the more aggressive ones, for want of a better word. A little bit angry. Well, she's greed. So, yeah, she's kind of off. She's been put off right now by Subaru, so you can kind of see that look in her eye when he, like you said, no. She wanted to use him, and she was going to let him use her in any way that he wanted to. So read that as you will. But at the very end, Satella turned up. She had the hood on. You couldn't see her face properly, but I'm suspecting she's just going to look dead like Amelia. So she's just come floating in onto the field and credits. So I'm nervous. We haven't really had a lot of time with Satella, like one-on-one, and haven't had a face reveal yet. I don't know if the show ever will. I mean, Subaru could just wake up immediately as soon as she's like about to do something. I don't know, but yeah, it's it's good. And I'm really kind of almost catching up as well. I thought the series was done after the next couple of episodes. I thought season 2 was finished. But it looks like they're just on hiatus, so more dropping week to week. So like I said in the last reaction, I've got to start waiting a week for the new ones. I've been binging it for the past couple of months, and it's been amazing. It's been so fun. So anyway, we're going to dive into the show. So as you know, this is a timer-based reaction, so grab your copy, watch along. We also have a Patreon with early and exclusive release content. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Straight into it. The Castle of Dreams. Here she comes. The Emperor. What is with you? Oh man. She's broken. She's Amelia, right? I've loved you for so long. Straight hair. So they all know about it. Ungrateful to Satella? What the hell? I love her look. Don't suffer. I've been through a lot, lady. Love yourself more. Oh, fuck, it is Amelia. I mean, a dead ringer. Love yourself. It's good advice. For good? Not for good. They just gotta cure her. And he obviously can't kill himself and reset to when Rem was okay. Can he leapfrog back? Can he kill himself, go back to where he started, kill himself again? Would he go back further, or would he just wake up a few seconds later? Yes, his last save, he'll just wake up over and over again at the same point now. I love all the character designs of the witches. Who made you cry? All of them. He's surrounded. The Witch of Envy, the jealous witch. What the hell? Oh, he bit his own tongue? Ow. Biting your own tongue to sever the artery so you bleed to death. Don't do that. It would hurt so much. Show me how awesome you can be, Subaru-kun. So with... Of course he doesn't want to die. He never wants to die. It's horrible. He's okay. I thought he was just about to wake up next to Amelia again. So he's having a... We've had a conversation with Satella. Had a glimpse of her face and she's... Yeah, she looks exactly like Amelia. Keep trying. Love yourself more. Try to save yourself as well. But sometimes he needs to reset, like when everyone's dead. He has to. Yes, man. You saved me? Faceless bride. She saved him. She's complicated, man. What, we're gonna do some time travel? The Ghost of Christmas Future? Greedy. Okay. Still don't trust her. You're all monsters. Respect. Thanks for being willing to let me die. So he's learned a little bit more about himself today. The only time he ever uses return by death purposely is when he wants to save someone. He's very selfless about it. So that tells me that when he does die, that timeline continues on. There's multiple timelines where his friends grieve over him. Shit. There we go. You're gonna come to kill me. Her veil is off. I'm gonna save you. The sounds that make you cry. And he wakes up. I thought that was the end for a second. I'm like, wow, that went quick. 27 minutes. Only halfway through. Friendship, man. He can't comprehend that people like him. Ignorance is bliss. Even your ground dragon likes you. Oh, he's crying. Such an alien concept to him. Patarashe. Oh, happy ground dragon. He's already said that you're friends. Oh, see? Nice. Now Otto's gonna cry. Oh shit. Barrier. Did that just make him throw up? Did Echidna do something? Did she take away his qualification? Roswell. God, he sounds like Dio. Is it? Same voice actor? God, I wish I understood Japanese, man. There are people who grieve when you die. So they carry on. Roswell, don't be a dick. One more matter. Oh, you motherfucker. You son of a bitch. He gave the order. They're all working for him. Elsa's working for him? To sharpen your resolve? Oh, he's just training him. He's training him. Can I save one? Mm-hmm. Damn. Subaru's getting fucked up. Yeah, don't do that. Shit. Shit. You son of a bitch. He's gonna keep fucking him up. He doesn't hate you. I love you. You're my hope. He's the mastermind. Roswell, you prick. Why aren't you insane yet? Oh no. So I keep sending the assassins and getting him killed all these times. Molding him to what he wants him to be. What to do? Yeah, how does he get out of this? Otto! Best boy, here he is. What the hell? Okay. Otto to the rescue. Okay, wasn't expecting Otto to punch Subaru in the face. Wow, that was a lot going in that one. It was definitely really kind of diving into Subaru's psyche and just kind of revelation after revelation as well. So yeah, oh my god, I got to digest for a sec. Okay, so when he was with the witches, they were basically all offering to help him. They support his cause. Even Satella, they love him. They want him to do well, and they want him to love himself and to embrace that, not just to sacrifice himself all the time. But to Subaru's point of view, when people die and he can bring them back, he's going to pick that option. But it was interesting when Echidna offered her hand and said, I can take you straight to the future, to that point where everyone is safe. And he said no, he doesn't want that support. He wants to do it on his own. And that kind of pissed to kidnap her off. So I think she's like on a razor's edge. She could flip to full-on evil at any minute. She took away his ability to do the trial. So yeah, he's really pissed her off. He also said no about the contract. And then he wakes up back in the real world and Otto's there for him. So I really like the friendship they're developing between Subaru and Otto. Like, he's such a cool character. Like, for him to show up there at the end to be the one to punch sense into Subaru was a nice moment. Like, you don't have to put on a tough face in front of your friends all the time. You know, you can be vulnerable, you can be who you are. So I like what they're doing there. But it does make me nervous that they're going to kill Otto off, though, because we're starting to like him. So what do you do to hurt Subaru? You take away his friends. But yeah, cruel. And of course, there was a nice revelation there from Roswell, who has been setting up the whole assassination thing pretty much from the beginning. So that implies Elsa's been working for him, right? And she turned up way back in episode 1 or 2 of the first season. So Roswell's kind of been moving the pieces behind the scenes from the beginning, and he's working for greed. He loves greed. So there's a lot of different hierarchies going on. But for him to kind of tell Subaru that, yeah, he's been setting up the assassinations all along, testing him, molding him into who he wants him to be, because he wants Subaru to be just like him. And he's insane. He's been insane for 400 years. So Subaru's just like, well, what the fuck? What the fuck? What am I going to do? How am I going to get out of this? How am I going to defeat this guy? He can keep doing this. This sucks. It's a really terrible situation for the guy to be in. But yeah, definitely a lot of stuff going in this one. So I might need to sit on it for a couple of days. I think I was going to dive into another reaction right away, but I want it to kind of mellow out with me before I dive into the next one. It went deep, but I liked it. Of course I did. This is an amazing show. So I got to check that. Is Dio the voice of Roswell? So the actor is Takehito Koyasu, and yes, indeed, Dio Brando in JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. Holy shit. That is so cool. I love his voice, man. His voice as Dio was just insane. I've got the Blu-rays to watch, and I'm considering watching JoJo dubbed to see how it is in the dub version and get a different experience out of it. But I just love what they do with the voices in Japanese so much. I don't know if I can accept Dio being voiced by anybody else but him. So nice pickup for myself though. Nice work. But anyway, please discuss below. Don't spoil. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching.